Okay, tonight's skill is metric measures. And we in class have been writing our metric units across the top of our paper, and we say King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. And in the middle, we know by is meter, liter, gram. And tonight's homework, they're just converting forwards and backwards within the metric units. And I told them if they're going from kilo to milli, they are going to be multiplying by powers of 10. And if they're going from milli to kilo, they are dividing by powers of 10. And so, for instance, in a word problem, it may say that somebody ordered 145 centimeters of fabric, and then another person ordered 1.5 meters of fabric. So, and then they want to know who ordered more and by how much. And I told the students that they cannot add or subtract or perform any operations unless they have like measurements. So they need to convert. And the other thing I told them to help eliminate mistakes is to always pick the one to convert that has them multiplying by powers of 10, because if they're dividing, they'll end up with decimals, which may open them up for more room for error. So for instance, 1.5 meters, I would have them write that under the meter section. And then if they're converting it to centimeters, I would have them count their powers of 10. So for instance, here it would be power of 10 1 to decimeter, and then power of 10 2 to centimeter. So that would be 1.5 times 2 powers of 10. But when they're multiplying with powers of 10, they can just slide their decimal over, 1, 2, which that's how they converted it to 150 centimeters. And now they know that the 1.5 meters was more fabric and by 5 meters. And so for tonight, I told them they'll probably be writing their metric units and showing me their power of 10 multiple times, because they really want to do this for each problem as they get used to these conversions.